Danville stands as a testament to the challenges faced by post-industrial cities that struggle to redefine themselves amid economic hardships. Once bustling with activity, the abandoned textile mills now symbolize a fading era, shadowed by the remnants of a city that thrived on manufacturing. Local leaders and residents attempt to resurrect hope through revitalization efforts, but the juxtaposition of opportunity and despair lingers painfully in the air. Despite the thriving aspirations for renewal, the weight of poverty and crime drags down the spirits of the community, making every improvement feel like an uphill battle. Residents, weary yet resilient, often gather in neighborhood meetings, passionately discussing strategies to reclaim their city from its troubled past. They share stories of personal loss, dreams deferred, and a longing for the Danville that once promised prosperity. With determination palpable in the air, a local youth organizer named Sarah stood up during a recent meeting, her voice steady as she addressed her neighbors. "We cannot let our history define our future," she declared, radiating hope amid the urgency of their plight. "Each of us has the power to shape what comes next, whether it's starting new businesses or volunteering to support our youth." The room, filled with nods and murmurs of agreement, signaled a growing belief that change was possible through collective action, resilience, and community spirit. With that resolve echoing in the room, Sarah proposed a community cleanup event to reclaim public spaces, inspiring a sense of ownership and pride. "Imagine what we can achieve together," she continued, eyes sparkling with enthusiasm. "Let's transform these forgotten streets into vibrant gathering spots that reflect our dreams." As the energy in the room built, neighbors began exchanging ideas, eager to contribute in whatever ways they could. Excitement hung in the air like the scent of fresh paint waiting to brighten the once dull facades. The conversation shifted from despair to possibility, each voice adding depth to their shared vision of a revitalized Danville. This collective commitment ignited hope, a flame ready to blaze a new path for their unfolding narrative, illustrating the power of community and resilience over the shadows of their historical legacy. The atmosphere buzzed with newfound energy as Sarah encouraged her fellow residents to step forward and lead individual projects. "Together, we can host workshops, initiate local art displays, and even create spaces for farmers markets." Her enthusiasm resonated deeply, creating a ripple effect of engagement and excitement. Each family began envisioning how their contributions could help rewrite Danville's story, layer by layer. As the community members left the meeting, their hearts pulsed with a renewed sense of purpose, ready to face the challenges ahead. Together, they were not just reclaiming spaces, they were reshaping their identities and futures, proving that even in the face of history's weight, hope could flourish anew in Danville.